A powerful cyclone is moving towards Australia, and it's expected to be quite destructive. It's rare in its strength, and as we watch the trajectory of what's happening, it looks like it will make landfall as a Category 5 tropical cyclone. That's what they're called in the Pacific and near Australia. This will be the first landfall Friday morning local time. Second landfall expected as Category 3 on Sunday. Now, in its wake, it will drop heavy amounts of rain in northern Queensland as well as Northern Territory, up to 200 to 300 millimeters of rain, which means we could see landslides with this, flash flooding, and of course the strong winds with gusts over 300 kilometers an hour possible. Now, in Australia, their cyclone season ends April 30th. For Atlantic Canada, hurricane season begins June 1st and runs till November 30th.